the longest time, I kept telling myself not to change the exhaust on this motorcycle. Not because I didn't want it to, but because I was scared. Scared of getting stopped by cops. Scared that it would become a headache. Scared that it would disturb people around me. So I kept riding it the way it was. But as the kilometer increased, so did my connection with the machine. And slowly, I started changing things. First, the spark plugs. Then came the free flow air filter and the oil filter. Little by little, the motorcycle started breathing better. And somewhere around 25,000 kilometer mark, I realized something. I've spent too much time worrying about what everyone else would think, instead of building the motorcycle the way I truly wanted. So one day, I finally said, fuck it. And that's when I contacted BarrelExhaust. Honestly, they were amazing. They didn't just try to sell me something loud. They actually understood the motorcycle. They explained what setup would suit the GV650 and what would match its character, what would make it feel complete. And after all those years, I finally got the exhaust I always wanted. And man, they absolutely nailed it. It doesn't even look aftermarket. It genuinely looked like something Hyosung should have made from factory. But the best part, the sound. This motorcycle finally sounds the way it always deserved to sound. Deep, aggressive, raw, maybe little too loud. Honestly, I think this might be the loudest 650 around now. And I'm not even kidding. But every single time I start this motorcycle, it makes me smile. Because after 25,000 kilometers, this machine finally feels complete.
So hey guys, this exhaust is from Barrel and it's custom fabricated for my bike. So this is how it sounds. It's damn loud, so loud. Okay, so this exhaust is custom made from BarrelExhaust. It doesn't even look aftermarket. It's so seamless. Thank you Barrel for making this exhaust for me. I always wanted an exhaust which doesn't look aftermarket, and Barrel, they did it exactly what I wanted. The bike sounds very V-twinish. Now the bike exactly got what it wanted, the sound and everything. The deep, aggressive, raw sound which I wanted for very long time. So right now it's here and I don't have words for this. This is the best thing I can ever get. And I love it. Ready? You guys wanna do? You wanna rev it? No? Come. Slowly, okay? Not too much. Sorry? It's Hyosung GV650. There. Yeah.